Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to use Valor Badges in Last War Survival. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Valor Badges are an important in-game currency that allow you to exchange for rewards in the shop, unlock special features, and boost your overall progress in the game. They play a crucial role in participating in key events and in upgrading your troops effectively. Primarily, Valor Badges are used in areas like research, alliance duels, inner-city trucks, and special operations, especially when it comes to unlocking and enhancing level 10 troops. These badges are essential if you want to stay competitive and grow your strength in the game. To get Valor Badges, go to the in-game store where you'll find various options. Choose the one that best suits your strategy and play style. Some Valor Badges are available for free, while others require you to participate in specific events. Always keep an eye out for opportunities to collect them during gameplay and special promotions. Make sure to stack these badges whenever possible, as they are incredibly valuable for troop upgrades and overall advancement in your gameplay. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Valor Badges in Last War Survival. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.